Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which singer is known for hits like Single Ladies and Crazy in Love? Is it A. Alicia Keys, B. Rihanna, or C. Beyoncé? It is C. Beyoncé. Which countries are primarily located on the Scandinavian peninsula? Is it A. Denmark and Finland, B. Norway and Sweden, or C. Iceland and Estonia? It is B. Norway and Sweden. What is the main purpose of a military operation? Is it A. Provide medical assistance, B. Conduct scientific research, or C. Achieve strategic objectives? It is C. Achieve strategic objectives. What is the capital city of Cyprus? Is it A. Larnaca, B. Limassol, or C. Nicosia? It is C. Nicosia. What was the primary purpose of the Colosseum in ancient Rome? Is it A. Religious ceremonies, B. Art exhibitions, or C. Gladiatorial contests? It is C. Gladiatorial contests. What is the primary objective of the game of baseball? Is it A. Hit the ball, B. Score runs, or C. Catch the ball? It is B. Score runs. What is Tibolone therapy used for? Is it A. Testosterone boost, B. Menopause relief, or C. Fertility treatment? It is B. Menopause relief. Which historical event led to the fall of Constantinople in 1453? Is it A. War of Roses, B. Battle of Hastings, or C. Siege of Constantinople? It is C. Siege of Constantinople. Which scientific technique did Dorothy Hodgkin help develop that is used to determine the three-dimensional structures of molecules? Is it A. MRI imaging, B. X-ray crystallography, or C. Mass spectrometry? It is B. X-ray crystallography. What is the capital city of Bahrain? Is it A. Doha, B. Abu Dhabi, or C. Manama? It is C. Manama. What is the capital city of Jordan? Is it A. Amman, B. Beirut, or C. Cairo? It is A. Amman. What is the highest mountain in the world? Is it A. Mount Everest, B. Mount Kilimanjaro, or C. K2? It is A. Mount Everest. Who is the co-founder and CEO of Netflix? Is it A. Tim Cook, B. Jeff Bezos, or C. Reed Hastings? It is C. Reed Hastings. What is the name of the famous street circuit that hosts the Monaco Grand Prix in Formula One? Is it A. Monza Circuit, B. Silverstone Circuit, or C. Circuit de Monaco? It is C. Circuit de Monaco. Which author wrote the book series that Game of Thrones is based on? Is it A. J.K. Rowling, B. George R. Martin, or C. J.R. Tolkien? It is B. George R. R. Martin. Which country does the Irtysh River primarily flow through? Is it A. Brazil, B. Kazakhstan, or C. Egypt? It is B. Kazakhstan. What historical event in 476 AD marked the end of the Western Roman Empire? Is it A. Fall of Constantinople, B. Battle of Hastings, or C. Fall of the Roman Empire? It is C. Fall of the Roman Empire. What is a primary characteristic of thermoplastics? Is it A. They are biodegradable, B. They can be melted and reshaped, or C. They conduct electricity? It is B. They can be melted and reshaped. What significant position did Jacinda Ardern hold in New Zealand from 2017 to 2023? Is it A, Prime Minister, B, Governor General, or C, Minister of Finance? It is A, Prime Minister. What type of pasta is traditionally used in carbonara? Is it A, spaghetti, B, penne, or C, fusilli? It is A, spaghetti. What is the capital city of Estonia known for its well-preserved medieval architecture? Is it A, Narva, B, Tartu, or C, Tallinn? It is C, Tallinn. Which country is the Kamchatka Peninsula located in? Is it A, Canada, B, Russia, or C, Japan? It is B, Russia. What does bone marrow produce? Is it A, nerve cells, B, blood cells, or C, muscle fibers? It is B, blood cells. What is the primary color of smoky quartz gemstones? Is it A, brown, B, blue, or C, green? It is A, brown. Which BTS song became the first by a South Korean group to top the Billboard Hot 100 chart? Is it A, Dynamite, B, Boy with Love, or C, Butter? It is A, Dynamite. Which Russian historical site is the center of the country's government? Is it A, Winter Palace, B, Red Square, or C, Kremlin? It is C, Kremlin. Which band is Billy Joe Armstrong famously known for being the lead vocalist of? Is it A, Fall Out Boy, B, Blink 182, or C, Green Day? It is C, Green Day. What event sparked international outrage and was linked to the sinking of the Lusitania in 1915? Is it A, passenger deaths, B, submarine technology, or C, naval blockade? It is A, passenger deaths. Who is Greta Thunberg? Is it A, politician, B, scientist, or C, activist? It is C, activist. What key ingredient is primarily used to make traditional salsa verde? Is it A, tomatillos, B, bell peppers, or C, avocado? It is A, tomatillos. What type of music ensemble is referred to as a trio? Is it A, 3 musicians, B, 4 musicians, or C, 5 musicians? It is A, 3 musicians. Which chemical element is represented by the symbol Zn? Is it A, xenon, B, zirconium, or C, zinc? It is C, zinc. What type of software development does Xcode primarily support? Is it A, web development, B, Android applications, or C, iOS applications? It is C, iOS applications. What is Vienna known for being the capital city of? Is it A, Austria, B, Switzerland, or C, Hungary? It is A, Austria. In which country is Angkor Wat, the largest religious monument in the world, located? Is it A, Vietnam, B, Thailand, or C, Cambodia? It is C, Cambodia. Who is the author of the novella Metamorphosis? Is it A, F. Scott Fitzgerald, B, Leo Tolstoy, or C, Franz Kafka? It is C, Franz Kafka. What is the capital city of Kenya? Is it A, Kisumu, B, Mombasa, or C, Nairobi? It is C, Nairobi. What was the main purpose of the Oslo Accords signed in 1993? Is it A, trade agreements, B, peace between Israel and Palestine, or C, environmental protection? It is B, peace between Israel and Palestine. What is a binary star system primarily composed of? Is it A, one planet, B, two stars, or C, multiple moons? It is B, two stars. What is the main subject of the Hulu series The Dropout? Is it A, Bill Gates, B, Steve Jobs, or C, Elizabeth Holmes? It is C, Elizabeth Holmes. What is the primary function of a transistor in electronic circuits? Is it A, amplification, B, insulation, or C, transmission? It is A, amplification. What type of cloud is characterized by its fluffy, cotton-like appearance and often signifies fair weather? Is it A, stratus, B, cumulus, or C, cirrus? It is B, cumulus. What position did Hillary Clinton hold from 2009 to 2013 in the United States government? Is it A, Secretary of State, B, Attorney General, or C, Chief Justice? It is A, Secretary of State. What stage is the blastocyst? Is it A, morula, B, embryo, or C, fertilization? It is B, embryo. Which luxury fashion brand did Nicolas Ghesquière become the creative director of in 2013? Is it A, Louis Vuitton, B, Gucci, or C, Dior? It is A, Louis Vuitton. Which popular web browser was developed under Sundar Pichai's leadership at Google? Is it A, Firefox, B, Chrome, or C, Safari? It is B, Chrome. Which major conflict did the Treaty of Versailles officially end? Is it A, World War I, B, World War II, or C, the Cold War? It is A, World War I. What region is Southern American cuisine primarily from? Is it A, New England, B, the South, or C, California? It is B, the South. Which album by Miley Cyrus features the hit song Plastic Hearts? Is it A, Bangers, B, Plastic Hearts, or C, Younger Now? It is B, Plastic Hearts. What is the capital city of Tajikistan? Is it A, Bishkek, B, Tashkent, or C, Dushanbe? It is C, Dushanbe. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.